Have you been told that you have to have your teeth out or many teeth out? That's not necessarily the case. I am Dr. Joe Nemeth. I'm a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan. My mission in life is to make people healthier and happier. And how do I do that? Well, one of the main ways I do it is by getting rid of their gum disease. I have a patient here today. In fact, he's here right now. He was told that he needs to have his teeth extracted and replaced with implants or dentures. However, he heard about me. He is here, and I believe, and I'm quite sure, we will be able to save virtually all of his teeth. The primary method that we use to save the teeth is to eliminate what causes the tooth loss, which is basically a bacterial and or parasitic infection. And by using the laser, primarily the laser with a procedure called LANAP, we can destroy these organisms. And once we destroy these organisms, we teach the patient or you how not to let them come back. So we destroy them with the laser and then teach you how to take care of your mouth to keep your mouth healthy, because I can stop the infection, but if you don't know how to take care of your mouth, it can come back. So simply because you've been told that you have to have a tooth or many teeth removed does not necessarily mean you do. And that's what I love to do. I love saving teeth that have been told, at least the patient has been told, that those teeth have to come out, and they don't. Now, sometimes they do, but very often teeth that have been condemned can be found not guilty, so to speak, and we can save them. So if you'd like an opinion, if you've been told teeth have to be extracted, you may want to try to save them, and if so, give us a call. We'd love to try to help you, and very often we can. So remember, if your mouth isn't healthy, you're not healthy. You can't be as healthy as you could be. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will keep you updated on the very latest in dentistry and probably a number of other subjects as well. I'd love some feedback, comments, questions, but most important, have a good day.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.